What's up, Fiddle One class? Hope you're finding ways to keep yourselves happy and healthy during this time. Uh, Today we're going to talk about playing with rhythm and timing, okay? And specifically how to use a tool that I think is very helpful called a metronome. All right. Uh, so what a metronome is it's an electronic device that keeps a steady rhythmic pulse so that you can follow it while you're playing. Um, so what I'm going to do is demonstrate how I would play with a metronome, and I'm going to demonstrate it with the latest tune that I've shown you guys. So this is also a nice practice tool for you all to play with me, keeping the timing that I'm keeping with this metronome. So the best places you can find a metronome is you can either a lot of electronic tuners come with one, so you can find them there. But honestly, the easiest place for me to find it is you can just Google metronome, and it will come up right on the search page of Google will come up a metronome, and you can just pick any pace you want right from there, and everything's cool. So we're going to play this tune that I showed you guys, Prettiest Little Girl in the County. We're going to play that with the metronome, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so for now, you know how I've told you before, you want to practice something slow. So we're going to start out at a slow tempo. So the tempo I've picked for this is 60 BPM. 60 BPM. The BPM stands for beats per minute, okay? Because the metronome is keeping a beat. And there are going to be 60 beats per minute on this one. So what does that mean? It's the exact same way of seconds, right? So it's just like 1, 2, 3, keeping seconds. So here we go. I'm just going to play this from my laptop computer, just like the way I told you, by searching on Google. So now there's the metronome pace. I hope you can hear that click on there. So that it's going, and I'm gonna get into the tune. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you can see that what I was doing there is I was changing bow direction and hitting a note every time that beat was happening. Okay, so like if I get it going again, so that pulse is happening, 1, 2. Every time that happens, I do my down bow on a beat, up bow on a beat, down bow on a beat, up bow on a beat. Okay? So practice that exercise of just picking one of your open strings. Doesn't matter which one it is. You could try it on all of them. And just go back and forth trying to copy that exact rhythm of the metronome. Alright? And as I've told you guys a lot of times in the past, you don't need to use too much bow. You know, in fact, it'll be easier if you use a little bit less bow to copy the metronome. And so I highly recommend practicing all of your tunes, anything that you do. I highly recommend practicing that with a metronome. I don't practice with it as much nowadays, but when I was younger, I would practice with a metronome a ton, and it's super helpful to develop a sense of rhythm. So, yeah, practice with the metronome for this week, and let me know how it goes on Thursday. Looking forward to it.